Hey folks, I wanted to show you something real quickly that might be of use to you and is particularly probably important to your students. And that is on a Chromebook, also on a generally any Windows computer, at least a newer Windows computer, you can snap your screens and do a quick side-by-side. So in case you don't know that, here's how you do it. So if I take my Zoom screen here and I take it all the way to the right, not to the top, top does something different. I could also take it to the corner and do something really cool with that, but for this purpose, I could take it all the way to the right and do this, and boom, it snaps it to the right. And now, let's say I have my Nearpod that I want to be looking at the same time, or I have a website I want to be looking at the same time, or whatever. I have that open over here, and it automatically snaps it side by side. So it might be worth, maybe useful for you as you think about using Zoom and be able to see class at the same time for those of us who don't have two computers or two monitors or whatever. But also perhaps more relevant is you might want to show your students so that they can have their Zoom on one side over here and then their Nearpod or whatever it is over here on the other side. So just want to share that today. Peace.